Welcome to another Linguish Craft. Our project on the Stone Age. Ooh, so it's cold during the Stone Age, so we need to dress up. Here is our template that you guys have colored. Oh, amazing! Look at this coloring.
Beautiful.
I'm so proud. So here, let's imagine that I had one Grumpf, that's his name, for 2 students. Okay, so Clémence did the coloring for this guy, and Coco did the coloring for the clothes. So we have worked on the clothes before. We've drawn them, we've played with them, so we know that this is a coat, a coat,
Coat.
pants,
Hats.
a hat,
Hat.
and shoes.
Shoes.
So now the goal is, okay, they are finished and they have cut everything. Every time you work with kids on a craft, the goal is to get the kids to say sentences, to ask you something, or that you ask them question, okay? So if Coco wanted to cut, can I have scissors, please, okay? You can teach it to her so that she can ask you, okay? And then once she's doing it, you can ask her a question. What is it? It's a chapeau. No, it's a hat. It's a hat. Okay. Well, now let's play with this. So you sing the song. Put on your hat, your hat, your hat. You can have the clothes right here, and you will have to take it and put it on. Okay. Put on your shoes, your shoes, your shoes. Go, 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 go. And now you say, put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Okay. And you can keep going like that, okay? So, at the end of the lesson, what you can do is kids can either glue Grumpf, or they keep it this way so they can play at home and show it to their parents, okay? Do not hesitate to also show it to the parents so that they can play with their kids and they can say, put on your pants, your pants, your pants. Yeah, okay, excellent. Thanks, bye.
Bye.